Reflection. Reflection is just like it is in a mirror. Let's suppose we have this triangle, and this is our mirror line. When we draw the reflection, it's here. Notice how the diagram is symmetrical. If we look at this, we can see the image, which was this triangle, is the same distance from the mirror line as the original shape. The original shape and the image are the same size. For example, draw the reflection of the triangle in the red line. Consider this corner of the triangle. When we draw the reflection, it will be the same distance across the mirror line. So we're going 2 squares to the mirror, so we go 2 squares past it. Now let's consider this one. It's 4 squares up to the mirror, so we need to go 4 squares past it. And for this one, it's 3 squares to the mirror, so it's 3 squares past it. And here's the reflection. Notice once again how it's symmetrical. Draw the reflection of each shape below in the red line. Pause the video while you do this, and then when you restart, I'll show you the answers. Let's look at this triangle. This corner is going to go 2, so another 2, so it will be here. This corner, 2, so it's another 2 squares here. And this one is going 4 squares, so another 4. So the shape is going to look like this, and it's going to be symmetrical. For this one here, this corner goes 1 square, and so does this one, and this one needs to go 4 squares. So it's going to look like this, perfectly symmetrical.